benefits, including how early, how severe, and how long Black and Hispanic women experience menopause compared to their white counterparts. That's according to the study of women's health across the nation, also known as STRONG. Joining us now to discuss is CEO of Advancing Health Equity and Emergency Medicine physician Dr. Uche Blackstock. Dr. Blackstock, always good to see you. So first, remind our viewers what the common symptoms of menopause are and what makes the experience different for women of color.
Sure, thank you so much for having me. So menopause, first of all, I want to say it's a natural and normal part of aging. There is a constellation of symptoms: hot sweats, night sweats, mood changes, difficulty with urinating,